Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make orange lobster dunks. We're diving into the shoe creator to craft a pair of custom sneakers inspired by the famous orange lobster design. It's all about paying attention to detail, from the base model to the smallest accents. You'll learn how to pick the right shoe, apply vibrant colors, and select materials to make your in-game kicks truly stand out. Let's get creative and bring this iconic look to your player. Alright, let's start with the foundation. First, navigate to the shoe creator and select the Nike Dunk Low as your base model. This is crucial for getting the right silhouette. Next, for the primary color, you'll want a vibrant, almost neon orange for the main overlays and the toe box. Then, for the mudguard and heel, pick a slightly darker, reddish orange to create that distinctive two-tone effect. These initial color choices set the stage for your amazing custom design. Now, let's move on to some key details that really make these dunks pop. For the midsole, choose a crisp white and then apply a subtle speckled pattern if available. This adds a fantastic texture. The outsole should be a classic gum brown, giving it that authentic sneaker feel. Finally, for the iconic Nike swoosh, go with a clean, bright white. These elements are essential for capturing the true essence of the orange lobster design, bringing your creation to life. We're almost there. For the laces and the inner lining, you have a couple of great options. Either a clean white or a matching vibrant orange will work perfectly. Once all your colors and materials are set, take a moment to review every part of the shoe. Ensure everything looks consistent and exactly how you envisioned it. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, save your custom orange lobster dunks. Now you can rock them proudly with your player in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.